Aldi, so I'm going to take you guys along. Immunity. We need that during cold season. And they have detox. Not pretty. That's gorgeous. Okay, what did it come to? Grand total $103.76. This is the first item that I got. Some romaine herbs. Gonna make some 2 Caesar salads. I did get 2 of these, 2 cases of water. Then I got some mini avocados, some black beans, some mayonnaise, a loaf of bread, some chicken strips, garlic toast. I got a plantain, but it's not ripe yet. I'm going to have I have 2 albacore tunas. I do not eat the regular tuna, only albacore. I got 2 pepperoni hot pockets. I got a bowl house, a strawberry banana, some fruit punch, some meatballs, sour cream, some strawberry lemonade, some grapes, strawberries, and a bag of Macintosh sweet and tangy apples, and not from concentrates, orange juice. That's my haul. I also got a few things that's not here that my sister got, but these are the things I got. So my stuff probably costs like about $50, and my sister's stuff costs about $50. So that's my haul.